So I wrote the song probably when I was about 16, and the first line of the song is "My genny deimlad," which means I have a feeling. It's sort of me starting off to describe what I'm thinking and what I'm processing. So Adlewyrchu in a nutshell is what I took from my experience of when I first started gigging, and certain people will tell me what they thought I should be doing. So there's a line before the pre-chorus that goes, "Mae pawb yn dweud be ddylai wneud I lwyddo yn y byd," which means everyone is telling me what to do to succeed in the world. The idea that you need to believe in yourself, trust yourself, love yourself in order to make that happen, in order to succeed. So the main message in the song is that it's important to believe in yourself. The song is basically about self-belief. Ceri wrando, go and listen.